guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make caramel popcorns at home. And here are our ingredients. I've got popcorns here, 1 cup popcorns. I've got 1 cup of milk. I have 1 cup sugar. I've got 1 tablespoon margarine. I've got here vanilla essence. I've got cooking oil and I have salt. So kindly stay tuned, watch this video till the end. So into your cooking pot, add your oil, and our oil now here is 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add the popcorn. Then mix. And I'll cook under medium heat for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to cover this like this. Then I'll cook for like 5 minutes. It's now 5 minutes down the line. Let's see. Wow, they are already cooked. Now on to the next step. Just going to pour them here in this bowl. Popcorns, movie time, eh? Now on to the next step. I'm going to be melting the sugar. This is 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to be melting it. So as you watch this video, if you are new here, I go by the name Mary, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel, show me some love, like this video, share your comments down below. And to the returning subscribers, I'm so grateful because of you people. Thank you for your support. Thank you for clicking to this video. I'm so grateful. So this is how we are melting the sugar under medium heat. Just keep on stirring until it melts completely. Make sure as you stir there is no any lump, because our sugar should melt completely with no lumps in between. As you can see, people, my sugar has already melted completely. There are no lumps. And from here now, I'm going to be adding our milk. And I'm going to be stirring until it is thick and completely mixed. So I'm going to be stirring until the mixture is thick. This will take around 6 to 7 minutes. Yeah, so this time I'm going to add our margarine. And I'm also going to add vanilla essence. That is 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. This is vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to stir this up until it is thick. So right now it's 7 minutes down the line, and as you can see, our caramel is ready. It's thick so big, and as you can see, even the boiling speed has reduced, and the mixture has also reduced, and it is very big. So it is very ready, and now we can add it to the popcorns. We make the caramel popcorns. This may take a lot of patience, a lot of waiting, but if you are making the caramel, you better wait. No need to add things here, just things here. Good things always takes time. So it is ready, and I'm going to switch off the gas, and I'm going to add this up to the popcorns. We just add the caramel on top of the popcorns like this. And then I'm going to mix this up by stirring like this. And now here are our caramel popcorns, looking so yummy. I'm even tempted to go watch a movie and start eating my popcorns. Wow. So my friends, if you've enjoyed watching my video, kindly like it. Share your comments down below. What are your views about this video? Kindly subscribe to my channel too if you've not subscribed. Yeah, and I hope you are going to make the caramel popcorns using my recipe at home. There is no need of buying caramel popcorns anymore. You'll now be making yours at home. So thank you for clicking onto this video. See you in the next video. Here are our caramel popcorns, looking so yummy, delicious. I just can't wait to take them with my family. So yummy, tasty, so sweet. Wow. Hey my friends, this is the best actually. Even start making it right now. It's not a must even you take popcorns when you are watching movies. They are good snacks. They can be taken anytime. Kindly follow my recipe. They don't take much of your time to prepare, and they are so sweet. These are nice snacks for your family, for your children, for everyone. I'm so in love with this. So sweet. Wow. See you guys. Bye.